वाला.com के फाउंडर अलक पांडे ने कहा है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट का फैसला 1563 छात्रों के लिए राहत भरा है, लेकिन कोर्ट में पहली बार नेशनल टेस्टिंग एजेंसी ने ये माना कि गलती उनसे हुई है। हालांकि अभी भी पेपर लीक और नंबर्स में गड़बड़ी का मामला सुप्रीम कोर्ट के समक्ष पेंडिंग ही है और इस मामले को हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट के समक्ष उठाएंगे।
One of the major issues with regards to the grace marks today, the Supreme Court has dealt with it. What was the directions that were given by the Supreme Court?
See, in our petition, it was very clear that the concept of grace mark is absurd and it should not be there, and you cannot introduce it post the exams. You cannot change the rules of the game when the game has started. So you are changing the rule of the games. So today the matter was serious, and the seriousness can be judged by the fact that the director of NTA himself was present in the first hearing, and before the petition could start, before the hearing could start, the counsel from the NTA director's position himself stated that the grace numbers they have allotted to 1563 candidates has caused a heartburn among the students, and they want to retrace this decision and they want to conduct a re-exam for all these 1563 candidates, and they want to give a choice to these candidates that whether they want to give a re-exam or whether they want to retain their original number without grace. And this paper will probably happen on 23 June, and the results will be declared before 30th of June, and all the ranks will be shuffled and the counselling will happen.